Colin, tell us how AgriSynth was founded.
Okay, a few years ago, I started to look at robots in agriculture, probably about 5 or 6 years ago, and they made a lot of sense to me, having been involved in different aspects of agriculture. They made a lot of sense and solved a lot of root issues like soil compaction. Soil compaction requires cultivations, and then that's when the CO2 gets released. Um, and we get stuck in this cycle of requiring heavy machinery, which compacts the soil, and then we have to cultivate it with heavy machinery. And we can break out of that. And I quickly realized that the hardware, the robotics, although challenging and certainly very visible, they weren't the issue. That wasn't really the issue. The real issue was identifying objects in complex crop scenes, where there were lots of plants of different types and lots of other objects as well. We just haven't been able to crack that as an industry, even today. Data collection, and especially image annotation or labeling for the AI to know what the different objects are, was and is the real issue. And it's forced innovative companies into niche markets where the crop scenes are much simpler. I got involved in synthetic imagery, that's another story. And I discovered that there was an embryonic or nascent synthetic industry out there, but nothing in agriculture. One or two companies in the US had tried looking at agricultural things, but in a very superficial way. I decided that this was a challenge I wanted to take on, and I had the wide range of technical development and biology skills, and I started AgriSynth in autumn 2021, and immediately invited our lead investor and our CFO to join me. Luckily, they both agreed.